Are you able to interpret the picture shown here? This is a picture of motor car. Can you tell me, is it at rest or in motion? If your answer is in motion, I can guess from where you find out that this car is in motion because of a device is shown here in the magnification form, and this device shows you that this car is running at the speed of 80. So how I can guess it? Because I know very well that every one of you are having your own car and you are familiar with the desktop of it having such type of device. It means you are able to measure the motion of this car. Dear student, today we are going to start our chapter 6, measurement and motion. Good morning. Are you ready to learn science with me? Let's go. How does measurement help us in our day-to-day life, and why there is need of measuring things? Proper measurement is very important in our day-to-day life. We can't manage things just by guessing about different quantities. Here, I'm taking an example of mala. Suppose Mala's tailor wants 1 meter of cloth for her dress. If the shopkeeper gives the cloth just by guessing, it may turn out to be less or more than the tailor's requirement. In first case, the dress would not get made, and in the second case, there would be a wastage of cloth. And none of this situation is desirable for Mala. माला कभी नहीं चाहेगी कि उसकी ड्रेस का कपड़ा जितना चाहिए उससे कम आए या ज़्यादा आए. If it happened that it is less or more, there will be 3 things wasted by her. One is money, another is time, and third one is that particular cloth means things. So, dear students, we can conclude that exact measurement is necessary for any situation because it saves our time, money, and things. In this way, you can say that if Mala take the cloth with appropriate measurement, Mala can save her time, money, and things. This is all about what is the importance of measurement in our life. Now, what is measurement and what are different ways of measurement? Think about the situation if you are not having any instrument to measure the length. In this situation, we may use the span of our hand for the purpose of measuring the length. And definitely a situation comes before your eyes that when you used to play kabaddi with your friends, the rough measurement of the playground is taken by you with the help of your footsteps. Footsteps, hand span, and cubit are the rough units of measurement. We have used 2 things for measurement. One is a number, another is a unit. I'm just putting forward an example to explain you that. See the picture given above. Suppose we ask this yellow shirt boy to take the length of table with his hand span. After taking the length with his hand span, he just telling you 6. He's telling you a number. But 6 is not enough to specify the measurement. What is another thing that is, and think about if he is saying hand span, that is not also enough to get the meaning of the situation. This yellow shirt boy should reply us in such a way so that we can get the correct meaning of that measurement, and the answer of this situation must be that he is having the length of this table as 6 hand spans. In this way, we can say that this boy used two things to specify the measurement of the given table by giving us a number 6 and a unit hand span. Number is required for how many times the given quantity is there, and the unit is required for the comparison of unknown quantity. So dear student, now we can say measurement is basically a process of comparison of some unknown quantity with some known fixed quantity. We need both the number as well as the unit to express the measurement in a proper and complete way. Now we are going towards an activity number 1 of this chapter given at page number 85. Here a group of students is asked to take the measurement of his desk or study table. Such type of activities enjoyed by the student very much, I know very well. But after doing the activity, we concluded one thing, that maybe the measurement by one student is 5 hand span of the table and another is having the 6 hand span. This is because of the variation in the size of their hand span due to their heights. So think about how many times have you used such units of measurement while playing with your friends, and maybe sometimes there is a little fight because of this variation in measurement, and such a time there we realize the importance of some fixed units of measurement to avoid such situation. So after doing previous act and activities, we realize that why does measurement need both a number and unit for complete specification, and why there is a need of fixed unit of time for measurement of a quantity. A do you know is given at page number 84, and what is inside? That is, what are physical quantities? Answer is quantities which are measurable, जिन्हें हम नाप सकते हैं, that are called the physical quantities. There are 3 basic physical quantities, dear student, that are length, time and mass. And you can see here that length is having its unit meter, time as second and mass as kilogram. Now you can ask a question to me that, ma'am, from where these meter, second and kilograms come? And for answer of this question, let's take you to another do you know. There is an international system of units. This system decides for us that which particular quantity physical quantity is having particular unit there, so that uniformity can be given to the particular physical quantity. So these units are known as standard unit of physical quantity or SI unit of physical quantities. In this way, it came to our knowledge that for three basic physical quantities, there is some fixed unit of measurement that are known as standard international units. In they are also known as SI units. So, what is standard unit of length? That is meter, which is denoted by small m. Standard unit of time is second, denoted by s, and standard unit of mass is kilogram, that is denoted by kg. This is all about today. Thank you and have a good day, dear students.